Well, many of you know that we lost John Prine to the coronavirus, actually, and such a iconic songwriter. I don't know. Words are hard to describe, but anyway, I want to do "Speed of the Sound of Loneliness" for you. I always liked it. You come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have I done? Broke in the speed of the sound of loneliness. You out there running just to be on the run. You know I got a heart and it burns with a fever. Lord knows I got a worried and a jealous mind. So how can a love that'll last forever somehow get left so far behind? So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have I done? You broke in the speed of the sound of loneliness. You out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow done crossed that evil line today. So how can you ask me about tomorrow when we ain't got one word to say? So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have I done? You broke in the speed of the sound of loneliness. You out there running just to be on the run. You out there running just to be on the run. Rest in peace, Mr. Prine. We're all. I'm doing this during the coronavirus pandemic, and so I guess we're all cabined up. I guess that's why I'm doing some videos right now. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and we lost a great one.